Hey guys, and welcome back. So for today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my October Boxycharm box. This is going to be the exact same kind of video as the last Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys are new to my channel and you don't know what Boxycharm is a monthly subscription and it's $21 a month, and you get between 4 and 5 full-size products. Just a disclaimer, this video is not sponsored or anything like that. I bought the subscription with my own money, and these are all my opinions and my thoughts on all the products. So yeah, this is what this month's box looks like, and of course the first thing we have here is just a little pamphlet, and the theme for this month is alter ego, and of course you have a list of all of your products, and then here on the back we have a 10% off your next purchase coupon for IT Cosmetics. First thing I have here is this South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels, and it just says cool, refresh, and revitalize your under eyes with your new South Main Beauty Under Eye Gels. Watch as the freshness of your skin is restored with no hassle. These retail for $10, and I have 3 gel packs in here, and they just look like this. Now I don't normally try these products on in my Boxycharm unboxings, just because usually when I try these products I usually use them in the morning or in the evening before I go to sleep. I'm definitely going to be giving these guys a try. What? Hi. Can I talk? Are you going to let me do my video? Are you going to talk for the whole video? Do you want to tell them what the products are? Huh? Do you want to tell them? Yeah? This is going to be your video. Huh? This is going to be your video. Not Mommy's. It's going to be Anessa's video. Yeah, it's going to be Anessa's Boxycharm unboxing. Really? Yeah, I know. Anything else to say? Yeah? Can I? What? Can I continue? Can I continue with my video? Yeah? The next thing we have here is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. And it just looks like this. I was kind of excited when I saw that we could be receiving these products in our Boxycharm box this month, because this isn't the first time that we got a Briogeo product, and I believe several boxes ago I got like a hair conditioner, I believe, or a hair mask that you do in the shower, and I really enjoyed it. So I'm super excited to give this a go. This product retails for $16. The next thing we have is this Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette, and I have seen a bunch of pictures on Instagram about this palette, and it just looks like this. And when you open it up, you have your face powders on this side, and then you have your eyeshadows on this side. This palette retails for $38, and it just says this 10-piece face palette will take any look from natural and innocent to sultry and mysterious. This limited edition palette is arranged with highly pigmented and buildable shades that blend effortlessly into the face and eyelid for a look you'll totally adore. I definitely think this is kind of cool that it is limited edition. So I'm just going to zoom you guys in a little bit closer, and I'm going to create a look with this palette, and then I will be back to show you the rest of the products. So here's the look that I created with this palette. I can honestly say that I really enjoyed this palette. I love the colors. I can honestly say I'm not a big fan of green colors in general, but this green I absolutely love. I don't know what it is about it, but it's just so shimmery and pretty, and it's not like a bright green. It's kind of like, I can't even explain it, but it's almost like an olive green, but I absolutely love this eyeshadow. Moving right along, the next product is the IT Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara. I'm kind of excited that they had a mascara in this month's box because I recently just purchased the Better Than Sex mascara and I've been using that every day, and I think I'm almost out of it. So definitely excited to try a new mascara, and this little guy retails for $24. So I really enjoy this mascara. It makes my eyelashes look long. It actually looks like I applied a heap of mascara, but really this is only one coat. So I really love this mascara. And the last product we have here is the Kat Von D Everlasting Liquid Lipstick, and it just looks like this. And I got the color Crucifix. And this is the color right here. It is rather dark. This is probably not a color that I would gravitate towards, but I'm still going to try it, and it seems like it will match this look quite a bit. So there you guys have it. That is it for this month's Boxycharm unboxing. If you guys like these types of videos, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and leave me a comment down below. Leave me a comment and tell me if you got any of the same products as I did, if you liked any of the products, if you got any different products. And of course, if you guys are new to my channel, again, welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe button. I will have the link at the end of the video, and of course the big red subscribe button down below. As always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!